In this video, I'm going to fix message sound is not working on your iPhone. So let's fix this together step by step. First of all, let's check the volume. So swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center on your iPhone. Now drag the volume slider all the way up. Once you do this, your iPhone is now ready to play sounds loudly. And also message alerts can be heard clearly. Now let's make sure your iPhone is not in silent mode. So go to the settings on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on sounds and haptics. From here, turn off silent mode. After that, let's set message notification sound. Because if it's set to none, you won't hear anything at all. So now go to sounds and haptics. Now find out text tone. If you see none selected, change it and choose a tone like note or any sound you like. As soon as you select a tone, your iPhone now knows which sound to play when message arrives. Now let's check don't disturb mode or focus. Open Control Center again, then tap don't disturb mode or focus and make sure it is turned off. Once focus or don't disturb mode is off, your iPhone will start playing message notification sounds normally again. If the sound is still not working, don't worry, we have a one last final fix. Go to your iPhone settings again, then tap on general and then scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and choose reset all settings. Now type your passcode. And remember, this will not delete your data at all. It only refreshes system settings like sound, Wi-Fi and notifications. And after this reset, your sound problem will be fixed. And that's it. By following these simple steps, your iPhone message sound will start working again. And you won't miss any important messages anymore. If you'd like to learn more iPhone tips and tricks like this one, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video.